Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video we are going to see the data interpretation concept in table chart, guys. I previously put one video about the concept should you learn in HL SAT exam. I already mentioned the data concept in there also, guys, the table concept, but I did not mention clearly in that concept. So again put video on about guys. First of all, data chart, you click this. If you see the four another topics are there: pie chart, table chart, bar chart, and line chart. But table chart is more important because bar chart and line chart I did not see even a single question. But pie chart I see, I think one or two questions in pie chart, but that is very easy. Okay, let's click the table chart. We'll see the table chart concept. First question, you should know the concept on this. Study the following tables, answer the question based on it, guys. Okay, what is the average amount of interest per year which the company had to pay during this period? That is the first question, guys. The answer they mentioned: average amount of interest paid by the company during the given period. They adding the interest on loan, guys, because they say average interest pay. This is interest, so they are adding all. Why they are adding all means they mentioned average. If you see average means you should add, and if you see total also you should add. If you see percentage means you should add and divide by 100. Sorry, multiply by 100. Now we are adding all the interest based amount dividing by 5. If you do like that, you will get 36.66 lakhs, guys. 36.66 lakhs. That is your revision option. You have one doubt why we are dividing by 5 means the total number of year is 5, so they are dividing by 5, guys. Second question, the total amount of bonus paid by the company during this given period approximately what percent of the total amount of the salary during this period? I told in before the question, guys, total means you should add all the things, percentage means you should multiply by 100. I told. Let's check the answer. First we are adding the bonus paid by the company during the year. Bonus is 3.0. There is a column in bonus, guys. We are adding that bonus. The second part of question is the total amount of salary during this period. Total amount of salary during this period. I think they are adding the column of salary. Okay, they both adding and multiplying by 100, guys. If you do approximately, you will get 1%. There is an option in 1%, guys. Let's see the third question. The total expenditure on all these items in 1998 was approximately what is the percent of total expenditure in 2002? Let me check the answer, guys. First we are adding the salary. First we are adding a salary here, guys. What percent of the total expenditure in 2002? Let me check the 2002. In 2002 we are adding all the salary, fuel, transport, bonus, interest on loan, and tax. We are adding in 2002. They are mentioning all this, guys. They are adding and they are also multiplying. These questions are easy, but you should finish this question in 1 minute. That is a difficulty in this question, guys. The total expenditure of a company over just during this year 2002. Again you want to add the 2002 column, all the things. Just adding where they did not give any percentage to divide, so they just adding, guys. They mentioned only 2002, so we are adding and giving the answer. Last question in this topic, guys. The ratio between the total expenditure in all taxes for all the years. We are adding all the taxes for all the years. The total expenditure by the fuel transport for all the years. Now adding the total expenditure in tax and fuel and transport, these two columns. They did not mention any percentage, so we do not know any multiplying here. First we are adding taxes, and second we are adding fuel and transport. When we both add, we will get 1 by 1.33, but the options are in all ratios, so we should divide by, if you remove the point, you will get 10 by 13. That is the ratio, guys. 10 by 13. I think if you like this video, means give one thumbs up, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. We already put many videos about your SAT exam.